What's up, Ford owners, technicians working on a Ford Fusion 2011. This is how to remove the door trim, door handle trim. All right, so this is pretty simple. There's a little tab here. Just pop that down. There's going to be a Torx screw in there, and then behind that is a little clip for the door lock. All right, it's pretty simple to do. Just unplug that. There's a little clip right there. Push down, slide that out, and then maneuver the trim bezel around the door handle. So I'll put it back together for you. Make sure it clips in. Tuck your wire harness in. All right, make sure it's flush. And take your Torx screw, put it in the hole. And I'm using a T-handle Torx style. And you don't want to super over tighten it because you can break the plastic. I think it's a T15. The numbers are worn out. But it's definitely a Torx driver. Thanks for watching.